Leadership nje manyete or wisdom into kubya nagaroke abakonyoro muntale yan lawathe leadership bengia kuna baba chorumba roro okurigereria kwanyora at least ba delivery no kurigereria koko bogitutwalia just delivered as compared no mujumbu itutubwate igobono wisdom gose eke wangiro muntu okonyoro musaya bwata wa leadership particularly to yoja kia topa ingirio konyo that they don't have resources and wanyora abantu bali in leadership structure leadership even in a party wanyora body core abasai space yabo but again no muska esalimaja teba you have to fight for your space ko get space yero otarwanit even about the bekero or in a market you people are making noise make the loudest noise to be heard igobono abasai mbaroro ba delivery and mbaroro ba field igobono ikadota about leadership yabasai inclusivity netakeire so that these are we have been hearing these are the future leaders lakini kwanyora kero ya ikirenga kia siasa kwanyora abantu abangane ne bakurigereria umusago jugutinna kwanyora abasai boka bachaya naine so that umusago libono nkiabwate bona boranyone salimaji with the good leadership but abantu bali ba border usebichana bya where he comes from bazo awa wosasima abantu aba babwata amali utamaithinga ibanya ruseti because chibese njiri gikusiaru mpaka twara rigereria is this chibese cy'umuntu osagwa ndusi bikibese is not igobono ingo inikale cyabasai baitase bali tigaba support the youth tokonyora youth I mean where we come from tokonyora that abantu mbaroro wa the leadership again let us look at the leadership than even the age than even the background umuntu akoro we are encouraging our youth we expect them again mugambyo buri mutu kiri umuntu fight for the space how youth they get no bujumbe youth they get no senate youth they get no MCA so that abantu they good church so ubuna tunya gukina alia chinga ubuna tuakinira abantu batumanyete because like me right now I'm slightly above the youth because I rolled 40 years you go no kwa you robos kegeko that 5 na constitution you go divide that 18 to to 35 that's when you are a youth but in the youth at heart what youth are passing through no konyora abantu bande bagochoro but ko even empowerment even some of my empowerment programs in Nyamira County me I'm not even serving actually Nyamira what me I'm known the whole county why because abasai na buna empower na babikire byombe I do write proposals for them abantu banyule funding